Welcome to another episode of What's Possible with Canva. Did you know you can split an image into multiple pieces using Canva? Now, this tutorial is going to show you how you can use the image splitter tool in Canva to split your image into multiple pieces. And for this demonstration, I'll be using an image I generated with Google Flow. Now, you can use this tool to, create carousels. Let's say you have created a design and you want to, turn it into a carousel. You can use the image splitter to split it into different pages. Like I said, I'll be using for this tutorial, I'll be using an image I generated using this tool, Google Flow. So I had uploaded an image of myself and then I asked it to create variations of me in different settings and environments. So this is one of the images it gave me, and it came in multiples, and I need to split this so that I can have these images as a separate image instead of being a single image, just like so. So what I'm going to do is to copy this image and then head back to Canva, paste it. So here it is. I'm going to expand this to fit the page. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to apps to search for the image splitter tool. So I'll just search for it, image splitter, and click on it. Give it a moment to load. All right, here it is. Image I want to use or upload one. So I'm just going to go ahead to select this one, and let's see what next. I need to expand this screen so I can. So the current size is this, and after split is going to be this. So let's scroll down to select the number of rows, of course 2, and then the number of columns 2 as well, because I have 2 columns and 2 rows for my image. So it will ask if there's a border option. If I want a border option, I can choose the border option, but I don't want that. So I'm just going to close it and go ahead to split the image. So it has split the image. The next thing I'm going to do is to add a page, and then add the images to my design. So I'm going to add 4 pages because I have 4 images. I'll add another page, add the 3rd image, and then the last image. These have been added, and I can fit the page just the way I want it. So this is how you can use the image splitter in Canva to split any image at all. Like I mentioned when I started, you can use it to create carousels. You can use it to create, grids. So even if it's a single image, like just an image like this one, I can also split this into multiple pieces if I want, and, separate them just, to be creative, depending on what I am designing. So this is how to use the image splitter in Canva. I hope you try it, and I will see you in my next episode of What's Possible in Canva. Bye.